Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to choose who can post on your Facebook profile using the Facebook Lite app on your phone. This setting is very useful if you want to control who can publish posts on your timeline. First, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then scroll down until you find the option called Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to open more options. After that, select Settings. Scroll down and find the section labeled Profile and Tagging. Tap on Profile and Tagging to open it. Now look for the option that says Who can post on your profile. Tap on this option to continue. You will see two choices: Friends or Only Me. If you want to allow your friends to post on your profile, select Friends. If you want to prevent anyone else from posting, choose Only Me. Once you make your choice, tap on the Save button to confirm your selection. Finally, go back to your profile to make sure the change has been applied. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.